Busy morning today. The lambing barn's all full up, so we have to move this group over to the coveralls today. There's 12 in here, and we like to move usually about 10 at a time, just so nobody gets tramped on the walk across the yard. And all our jugs have lambs in on both sides. For us, the white sheep, it doesn't usually get this busy, but even without CIDRs, all these guys self-synced and they all came in at once. They're from 3 different rams and everybody's doing great. So far, no foreseeable problems in this group. A lot of first-timers. Hey guys, how you doing? These were all born last night. And then once that group in the other pen goes to the coverall, I'll be tagging a bunch of these and they'll be going out. It's hard to see the lambs because they all go under the feeders there, their little cave. But that's what's happening here today. Right, Mommy? Group 2 to their new home. The gate's not opening. Ben, come here. That way, buddy.